What is popping YouTube? It's your girl Ashley and I'm back with another video. If you follow me on social media, you know that I vouch for Nptresstreats. By the way, code will be in the description down below. Use that code to get some money off. Their things are curly friendly. It's lit. They have a bunch of things that any curly girl will need. So with that being said, today I'm going to show you a very effective way for people with long hair to effectively use the pineapple. So if you guys are still with me, let's get right into the video. You're going to put your hair at the top of your head or wherever you want to place it. I'm doing it pretty messy. This is just for like tutorial purposes. You can obviously make it more sleek if you're looking for a messy look. Do it how I'm doing it. You know, fix your curly hairs at the bottom, wet them a little bit, take them out. Whatever makes you feel comfortable and cute. So I'm going to put my hair there. I'm going to use the scrunchie one time, right? Then for my second attempt of a scrunchie, instead of putting it down here, up here. So my hair doesn't have the leverage of falling down here. So you're gonna just put that up a little bit, fix it, pull it, whatever you need to do, and you have a shorter, more volumized pineapple. So this works obviously for long hair. The longer the hair, the more the second loop is gonna stand up. And that just creates your perfect little pineapple with long hair.